Hey guys, it's Cleshawn and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to quickly do a video because I just received a package I've been waiting on for months. So from the title, you can see that it is a Telfar bag. If you don't know anything about Telfar, it is a Black-owned fashion brand based in New York. It is for us, by us. It is a brand that I have just been like coveting for a while, and I just love their whole ethos. And these bags, you just cannot get them. They are just unavailable. As soon as they go on the website, they are sold out within minutes. And the only way you can get a bag is through their bag security program. So that's how I was able to get this bag. So I had to wait months and it shipped to Sweden. So I was very, very happy about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box and definitely check out the brand, check out their social media profiles. So it's just, they do everything so well. It's just so fun and such an engaging, thriving community. Anywho, of course I have no scissors, BRB. Of course, I just randomly started filming. Did not plan for this. I am not prepared, but it's okay. No pressure filming. We're keeping it all fun and casual here. Okay. Oh, I'm just really excited. Okay, so just plain packaging, normal shipping box. But it comes in a little plastic bag, and then it has a cloth bag, which is nice to keep the bag stored in. I will be reusing this plastic bag. Smells a little bit interesting. Oh, it's so freaking cute. So I decided to get the little one. It's honestly the one I like the most. I didn't want a big bulky bag. Let's see, it has a little Velcro fastener here. Usually get these with like your electronics. Very smart. I will also be reusing this for my cords. Okay, so it's a cute little thing. It is made from faux leather, so it is vegan friendly. It has these two straps up here, and then you have two long straps. So I'm probably going to weigh this down. It has the tag in there, and it has a little fastener, so that's great. I wonder if it can fit my phone, but I'm filming on my phone. I'm gonna just put this up to the camera. Okay, I think this will just barely fit my phone. Anywho, isn't it cute? I chose this color for a reason. I wanted a neutral, but I wanted some color. So I chose this dark green. I think this is olive green. Yeah, a dark olive green. And I just thought, yeah, it'll still be a nice like pop of color, but it's still a neutral. So best of both worlds for me, just to have a little fun, but also to keep it classic. I don't have anything else to say about this bag, but what I will do is create a few outfits. So I will go downstairs and just throw on a few outfits and just show you how I would style this. So I made my first outfit. I'm wearing my beige blazer dress that I got from In Other Stories earlier this year. I wanted to tone it down and make it a bit more casual, so I paired it with my new Air Force Ones. So I just think this outfit is so cute with a pop of green in this little bag, and then paired with the sneakers. I just think it really complements the whole look. So it's definitely dressy casual. The length on this blazer dress is a bit short for my liking, so I definitely have to wear shorts underneath to feel comfortable. Don't know if I would wear this in a work environment. It's a bit too risque, but if I did want to wear this to work, I would just put on some nice like slacks or some really cool like leggings. So for this outfit, I paired my vintage v-neck t-shirt with my oversized wool blazer. I also have on my high-waisted linen cream pants, and then I paired it with my white thong sandals. So right now I can keep my toes out, but in a month or two, the bottom half of this outfit would have to be swapped out for warmer layers. But I love this this navy with the green because these two tones together are complementary. And the same with the beige dress. I mean, it was a beige base, which means you can add any color with it and it would work. So with each outfit that I show you, this green bag is going to work perfectly because they are color combinations that work. So for this outfit, I paired my wool red cardigan that I got from another stories, paired it with my trusty nudie jeans, my beige, or rather camel color Acne Studio boots, and then of course the green bag. So each part of this outfit is basically a different color, but as you can see, they all work together. We have the red and green. So, I mean, we know this works. So this is just Christmas up top. And then we have grounded with the colors below. These 4 colorways together just work so well. So you can definitely repeat this colorway in different outfits, of course. But I really just love the sort of festiveness of this color combination. I'm really liking these pops of color in my wardrobe. I think it's really doing a lot for my mood. And again, I got this green color bag because it was a pop of color, but it's deep enough to where it's still a nice neutral. It's not like this vibrant crazy green that would, you know, really stand out. So it's just like this understated pop of color, which I'm just totally in love with. So for this outfit, I'm wearing my peekaboo wool top with my green culottes and my chunky boots. So for the color combination with this outfit, I wanted to play with different variations of green. I think that this dark green of the purse pairs very well with the jade of the shorts. And then of course I have my camel color boots, which are basically the same color for my skin. So all of these colors today are just so beautiful. It honestly just reminds me of like pistachio ice cream, which I'm totally gonna get after this. And I love the peekaboo detail of the shirt. It just adds a splash of sex appeal. Just totally digging this outfit. So for this last outfit, I wanted to class it up a bit. I wanted to show you that you could also wear this bag with something very dressy, very evening inspired. So I wore my black dress that I got from H&M earlier this year. I love this dress so much. It fits me like a glove, shows off all of my curves. I also have a vintage blazer just for third layering piece, and I paired it with my new Jacquemus heels. Totally in love with these shoes. The fact that each shoe is a different shape just blows my mind. As some of you know, I signify my style as classic with a twist, so these shoes completely fit that profile. So it's green, of course it's going to pair it with black. I just think it does such a great job of adding, again, just a little bit of pizzazz to the outfit. So please let me know what you think of the outfit so far, if you had any favorites. I had a lot of fun filming this and unboxing this bag. I cannot wait to get another one. I definitely will. Of course, it probably will take months, but it's worth the wait. So grab one if you haven't already. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.